So now let's see how we can work around with Noise Modifier for 2D drawings inside of Blender. So in order to work around with Noise Modifier, I'm going to go around and take my drawing tool first and draw out something. So I'm just going to go around and then change the strength right here, just like this. And let's say I'm just going to go around and draw out some circles over here, just like this, 3 circles right there. Let me just go around and fill this up with color as well. So I'm just going to go around right here onto vertex color and let me select out the color right here. So let me just go around and fill it out with solid fills right here, just like this, different colors over here, just like this, different colors over here as well, just like this, different color over here, different color over here right there, and then different color over here, and then different color over here, just like this. So now if I were to play this around, nothing happens. So in order to make it more like a cartoonist or like a drawing, what you can do is you can add a noise to it. And to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto object mode right here. And once I go to object mode, I'm going to go around over here onto the modifier properties. And then from the modifier properties, I'm going to click on add modifier right here. And then I'm going to add in the noise, but for that I need to select the object first right here. So modifier right here, and then I'm going to go around and let's see what I have. I got array, build, and so forth, as you can see. So let's go ahead and add in noise right here. This is what I want. So if I were to play this, you can see that this is what the noise seems like. So it is kind of like an effect right here. You can change this around and you can see that it changes around the position. So it can be really intense right here, or it can be less intense. You can increase the strength of the position right here and the thickness as well. And you can see that the variation increases. Similarly, you can go around and change, notice around with the UV as well. And here's another thing that's noise right here. If you want to make it look like a drawing, you can see that this is what you can do. So you can reduce the amount of this, and let's say I just want it to be like this. Now you can see that this is more like a 2D drawing, a frame by frame animation, as you can see, and it looks interesting already. You can turn off the randomize or turn it on, and here you can see that every 4 frames it changes. But if you want it to change faster, you can type in 1 and you can see that it changes faster. You can go around, change it, and increase the number of seeds over here as well, just like this. So that is how you can go around, change the position right here, or really decrease out the position to change it out. You can increase the strength, and you can see that this is the result. It looks like a traditional 2D animation, just like that, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with the noise modifier for 2D drawings inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.